Do you want to nail your next thumbnail and get those clicks? Well, here are 5 tips that will help make that happen. Number 1, design. When it comes to making your thumbnails pop, there are many free or cheap tools out there that are super easy to use. Take a look at Canva, PicMonkey, and Adobe Spark. Number 2, faces and eye contact. Make sure your presenter is looking directly at the camera with a really noticeable or friendly expression. Number 3, thumbnail text. Keep it short, accurate, and easy to understand. Number 4, make sure your thumbnails are engaging but not misleading. Number 5, colors. Use bolder colors that will stand out on the page. Research your competitors or videos that serve a similar audience to see what's working for them. See you next time.